Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Sonic and Friends Sing, the part of the show where Sonic and his friends come on out and sing a song. Today's episode was a request by my good friend, the Queen of Lions, who wants Lavinia the Cat to sing I'm Gonna Fly by Kiki's Delivery Service. Thanks for your request, Queen of Lions. Now without further ado, please welcome Lavinia the Cat. One day, a whole world looks like an open page. You've been dancing as fast as you can with a smile on your face. Then the earth and the sky, they all fit together and carry me away as light as a feather. Chase the clouds from the ground in the big blue sky. Don't wanna watch it all go by, so I'm gonna fly higher than I ever could. Feel the wind blow through my hair, feel the sun dance with the moon, and my feet can't stay on the ground any longer. Every leap of faith I feel a little stronger. Wanna swing from the stars in the big blue sky. Don't wanna watch it all go by, so I'm gonna fly and see for myself what it looks like from up there. Taste the stardust in my mouth, shake the clouds until they disappear. And if I can make just one life better, bring a smile to your face when you're under the weather. And I feel like I've finally found my home. Plant the seeds and watch them grow, and I'm gonna fly, 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 higher than I ever could. I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna fly higher than I ever could. And that was Lavinia the Cat singing I'm Gonna Fly by Kiki's Delivery Service, requested by my good friend, the Queen of Lions. Thank you again for your request, Queen of Lions. Stay tuned for the next episode of Sonic and Friends Sing.